Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2003 Yamaha VStar 650 Classic. Beautiful two-tone paint scheme on this twin-cylinder 650 lightweight cruiser. It's got the solo seat, awesome sounding slash-cut exhaust, only 12,428 miles. Come on by, make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true. This thing is really gorgeous. Shaft drive, heel toe shifter, floorboards. I can't say enough good things about this bike. It's not gonna be here long. Prices out just $36.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.